Carbon steel pipe can be manufactured using several different techniques, each of which produces a pipe with certain characteristics. These characteristics include strength, wall thickness, corrosion resistance, and temperature and pressure limitations. For example, pipes having the same wall thickness but manufactured by different methods may vary in strength and pressure limits. We will see this in detail further ahead. For now, the pipe manufacturing methods to be discussed in this section include seamless, butt welded, and spiral welded. Seamless pipe, as in this example, is formed by piercing a solid near molten steel rod with a mandrel to produce a pipe that has no seams or joints. The following figure depicts the manufacturing process of seamless pipe. Here, the mandrel pierces the hot solid steel rod to form a seamless pipe. Now, to better illustrate this concept, let's have a look at this 3D animation depicting a typical seamless pipe manufacturing process. Okay, the next method is butt welded. Butt welded pipe is formed by feeding a hot steel plate, as seen here, through shapers that will roll it into a hollow circular shape. Forcibly squeezing the two ends of the plate together will produce a fused joint or seam. In this figure, you can actually see the steel plate as it begins the process of forming butt welded pipe. The result will be a pipe as depicted in this example, with a weld across it. Now, the next simplified 3D animation provides valuable insights as to how this butt welded process works. least common of the three methods is spiral welded pipe. Spiral welded pipe is formed by twisting strips of metal into a spiral shape, then welding where the edges join one another to form a seam. The figure that you can see here shows spiral welded pipe as it appears before welding. And here you can see the end result, a typical spiral welded pipe. Keep in mind, this type of pipe is restricted to piping systems using low pressures due to its thin walls. Now, to sum up, the following figure shows the three pipes previously described in their final forms. Each of the three methods for producing pipe has its advantages and disadvantages. But welded pipe, for example, is formed from rolled plate that has a more uniform wall thickness and can be inspected for defects prior to forming and welding. This manufacturing method is very useful when thin walls and long lengths are needed. However, because of the welded seam, there is always the possibility of defects that escape the numerous quality control checks performed during the manufacturing process. As a result, the American National Standards Institute developed strict guidelines for the manufacture of pipe. Pressure Piping Code B31 was written to govern the manufacture of pipe. This code assigns a strength factor of 85% for rolled pipe, 60% for spiral welded pipe, and 100% efficiency for seamless pipe. So, clearly here, seamless pipes are more robust than the others, and therefore will withstand higher temperature and pressure conditions. Also, in general, wider wall thicknesses are produced by the seamless method. However, keep in mind, for the many low-pressure uses of pipe, the continuous welded method is the most economical.